All right, so in this video, we'll discuss operators in Swift. So to start it out, we'll talk about the arithmetic operators, just like your plus, minus, division, things like that. So go ahead and look at what I have here. I have a first team's points, which is 48 points, second team, which is 15. And it's pretty basic. You just add them together. So first team plus second team, and it's going to add them. Minus, it's going to subtract them. And you can even do a remainder, which is the percent sign in Swift. And you can do something like let remainder equals the first team remainder second team. And you can see 15 goes into 48 three times, which will be 45 with a remainder of 3. Pretty cool. So let's move down to operating overloading. And basically what that is, it's what the operator does depending on what value you give it or you use with it. Okay, and to see this, let's go ahead and type in that catfish age equals 21, and then let actual age equal your catfish age plus 20. So you're really just setting up a variable that's you're adding one variable to an actual integer. That's really what's going on here. Now you can do this with strings as well. So you can do let food equal my favorite food is, and then let's do let say fav food. Oop. So say your favorite food, and we're going to set this to that fav food, but we're also going to add what your favorite food is. So in my case, we're going to say pizza. Now watch the magic here. Plus, now it's going to take your fav food, whatever you have stored there, and then you're going to add with the plus sign pizza. My favorite food is pizza. Pretty cool. And again, I want to show you one more thing. You can do it with arrays as well. So let's do let siblings, I have 3 siblings, equal, you'll do your array of Ron, Chris, Brian. Okay, then let parent equal, I'm going to do Sally. Oops. And John. Okay, so now let family equal siblings plus parents. Check out the magic here. So we're going to see Ron, Chris, Brian, Sally, John, but in this last one, which is now family, it's going to have them all. It's going to add them together in one big array. Pretty cool. Now let's look at compound assignment operators. And you've probably seen this before, like when you see the plus equals or you'll see the minus equals. That's compound assignment operators. So let's see a couple in action. So we'll do let the age, and I'm saying the age because I use age up here, equal 45, and then we can set the age to add or equal to 15. And you'll see now the age is set to, I messed up here. Oh, I used a let. I apologize. It needs to be a var. So now you'll see you're going to add 15, and let's play it, and you'll see 60. Awesome. 14 plus 16, or plus 15. And the minus one is very similar to that. So go ahead and do minus 15, and it'll subtract from that 45. So now you'll get 30. All right. So last thing I want to touch on in this one is comparison operators. And now there's a few, so I'll go ahead and write some of them here. You'll have the equals equals, which is comparing one to another to make sure they equal the same. The next one is exclamation and then an equal mark, meaning they're not equal. So you can say bananas is not equals to grapes. So that's a comparison. And then your normal less than or greater than, or you can do less than with an equal sign or greater than with an equal sign, just like we did up here with them plus minus. So I'm only going to talk about a couple of these because they're pretty straightforward as well. So let's look at the equal sign one first. Okay, so we're going to check if something is the same. So let's do let berries equal blue. And we're going to do let grapes equal yellow. Okay, now let's check this. So is grapes equal to berries? So it's going to go out and see, are these strings the same? Let's see. False, they are not. So if I was to change yellow to blue, and you'll see, I got to run it down here. You'll see now it's true because both of the strings match up. The last thing I want to show you is you can do just normal strings as well. So is monkey not equal to, let's say, a cat? And let's see. That's true. It's not equal to a cat. Okay, so let's say put cat here as well. Is cat not equal to a cat? That's false because cat is equal to cat. All right, so that's going to do it for operators within Swift, guys. I know this is a pretty basic and straightforward topic, but please make sure that you understand this before moving on to some of the more complicated topics within Swift. If you are just rushing through this, you will eventually get lost because you're not fully grasping the concept and understanding of what's going on. Lastly, make sure you like and comment if you have any questions, and I'll get to them as soon as I can. And if you want to see more videos like this from me, hit that subscribe button because that definitely helps out. Thanks.